What's up, players? I'm back. Oh my god, I know it's been a hot minute. Like, when I say a hot minute, I mean a year and a half. But yeah, long story short, I am back. I'm ready to kill the game. I am ending 2022 on a really high note and ready to get back on YouTube, ready to start trying new foods, reviewing, doing what I do best, talking. I don't know if I do that the best, but yeah, I do that a lot, so you know what I mean. I'm gonna post some videos. I think there's like 2 or 3 that I recorded like earlier, but like I said, I took a pretty long break. You could tell because my hair's like kind of short in it. And then yeah, so we're just gonna get right into it. Going to try a new place, going to try some new restaurants, some new foods, some new reviews. We're gonna have a lot. Pumpkin spice season is about ending. Move over pumpkin spice. It's peppermint spice, peppermint mocha, peppermint. It's the holidays. My favorite time of the year. I literally cannot emphasize, like, my favorite holiday is Christmas. Like, I don't even care about any other holiday. I just wish it was like Christmas on repeat. I feel like every other holiday is a bit of a wash. I no longer live with my mom and dad. Woo! Yeah, that's super exciting. I know they miss me like crazy, and they're probably the only 2 people watching right now. Shout out to my favorite followers. And yeah, I have my own apartment on the Upper East Side in New York City, killing the game, like I said before. It's a very small apartment, you know, I'm gonna throw that out there, but yeah, we will not be having a tour because my kitchen is even smaller. I think I could like stretch it out and we're there. This is my life. This is Heidi ending 2022 on a really high note. And yeah, let's get ready and hope you guys like, subscribe, enjoy, and see you in a little bit later. Bye, guys.